Hello and welcome back to our regular expression course on freeCodeCamp. This is match anything with wildcard period. Sometimes you won't or don't need to know the exact characters in your patterns. Thinking of all words that match, say a misspelling, would take a long time. Luckily, you can save time using the wildcard character, which is a period. The wildcard character will match any one character. The wildcard is also called dot and period. You can use the wildcard character just like any other character in the regex. For example, if you wanted to match hug, hut, and hum, you can use the regex hu dot to match all four words. And basically, that's just saying we want to find hu anywhere in there, and we don't care what's after it. So here we have let hum string, it's I'll hum a song, and let hug string, bear hug, and then our regex here is hu regex, and that's what we're trying to grab, something with hu, and then we don't care what's after it. And so if we do hu regex dot test and we pass in hum string, it returns true because hum has hu, and same thing with our hug string because hug has hu. So complete the regex unregex so that it matches the strings run, sun, fun, pun, none, and bun. Your regex should use the wildcard character. So basically it would be dot because we don't care the beginning part, and then un. So that's where we have change here, and we would do dot un, and that would say we don't care what's in the beginning as long as un is in there. We could console.log, and this should return true because fun does have a un. And if we zoom out, we did get true, so that should fulfill this. And we did pass. So the important thing to note here, to take away from this lesson, is basically the wildcard character allows us to find a pattern, and then if it's here in the beginning is where we added it, we don't care what comes before it. If it's over here, then we don't care what comes after, as long as we have that pattern in there, un. And as long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.